Hey guys, and welcome to Compound Body once again today. And in our last video we actually did the ab wheel and I showed you a basic technique of doing it off the ground. Now in this video, this is a little bit more advanced. So when you have gotten to this stage, then you're really ready to take things on to another level. So with that being said, if you're not sure how to do this exercise, please go back to that video. So I'll not be reteaching it in this video. I'm just going to progress into other movements. So with this one, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be playing around with it a little bit. We'll be going to the side, middle, to the side, and then we'll end with doing some twists and turns, as well as like taking it for a ride, like if you're riding a bike, going around the corner. All right, let's rock it. All right, let's do this. And you can also do side, then you can switch to the next side, right? Like that. Now, let's take it for a joyride around the corner. So as you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be turning the wheel just like that. Ready? Let's do it. Really good. Really good. Now, the aim of it is to keep it on an angle. And that will make the core, because you're unbalanced, the core will be really engaged, as opposed to just making it flat. All right. Another thing that you can actually do is you can do zigzags. Come back, just like that. Out. Zigzag, just like that. Definitely. All right. So that's how we do it. That's how we like to rock our core. And be sure to subscribe to us. Leave us a comment in the comment section. And don't be afraid to shoot us a video on Instagram. Let us see what you're doing. And we'll also be sure to keep you up to date with what we're doing. Alright guys, subscribe right now. See you next time.